So I'm going to go to a stock that I like, MSOS. This is an advisor shares trusted ETF for the cannabis industry, right? So this is a cannabis stock ETF. So there's two different ways that you can enter a covered call and how covered calls work, right? So if you come to the different strategies over here, you'll find one at the bottom called covered stock. Covered stock is a covered call. It enters the 100 shares and it enters the call option for you at the same time. So this stock is currently sitting at $4.85. So I want to do the $5 covered call. So what you see here is you buy 1,000 shares of the stock and you can sell 10 covered calls at the $5 price against it. So there's two different outcomes that you'll see here during this trade. One is the stock will go above $5. And at that point, you will keep the premium from your 10 sold contracts no matter what. But then you'll collect the 13 cents of intrinsic value as well. So from 487 to 5, that's 13 times 1,000 shares. I get an additional $130 as I cash out at the $5 mark. If the stock stays at the 480 range and doesn't go to 5, then I keep my 1,000 shares on the expiration date, and I'm able to then continuously sell a call option against those shares until it's exercised and until I get profits. There's many different ways that you can utilize covered calls. Like this one, if I was trying to go from 487 to $5, that's what I like to call a premium grab. What you're doing is you're using this as a trading strategy to make a nice piece of income without expectations of a super large gain, and it helps you protect against a nice loss as well. If I were to choose a different expiration on this, right? If I were to go 2 more weeks out and hit done here, now you'll see my average is down to 470. I'm getting about $17 per contract. That's $170 that I can make against this stock. So this is a good way that you can enter a covered stock or a premium grab. Another way is to simply just buy the shares. If you wanted to just remove this portion here and get rid of the options part, you could buy 1,000 shares. Let's just say I think this stock is going to run to $6. So I would buy 1,000 shares individually. Then when it gets to $6, I can begin selling the $6 covered call as an exit strategy to create more income. So this is what it would look like here on this. So if I click covered stock, buy, let's just go to 1, and you can see from here. So we go to buy, the cost of the trade is $470. That's because it's $487 for the underlying stock, but it's $17 deducted because that's how much my options contract cost. So I'm going to sell my one contract. We'll hit review. So you can see here, it says buy 100 shares of MSOS and sell one call contract against it. I hit send. It is not filled yet. This is what it would look like, just like that. You would see your 100 shares of MSOS, and you would see the $5 call option for September 8th that I sold against it. And I can continuously do this for as long as I want. It either goes above 5 and I get paid for the 13 cents of intrinsic value and the covered call premium, or it stays below 5 and then I get to sell another covered call against it, systematically lowering my average, holding on to the cash and being able to reinvest, being able to hold more cash, being able to stack up and buy 100 more shares, whatever you please. Start small, start consistent, and move on from there. Wow, the market's really taking a fucking fat shit right now. Look at that. That's a 50-point drop in the last hour. That's big. That means something must have happened. Some news or some bullshit. So